How to turn off automatic swing for Spider-Man in Marvel Rivals. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the automatic swing for Spider-Man in Marvel Rivals. This feature can be a bit annoying if you prefer more control during your battles, but don't worry, I've got the steps to turn it off, so let's dive right in. First, go ahead and open the Marvel Rivals app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account and in the game. Once you're in the game, go to the main menu and look for the settings option. It's usually in the top right corner or accessible from the profile menu. In the settings menu, look for a section called control settings or character settings. This section will have specific options for your character, including Spider-Man. Once you're in the right settings area, you should see an option for automatic swing or something similar for Spider-Man. Simply toggle this option off. Turning this off will give you more control over when Spider-Man swings during battle rather than it happening automatically. After you disable the automatic swing, make sure to save your settings. Then simply exit the settings menu and jump back into the game. Now go ahead and test it out. And that's it. You've successfully turned off the automatic swing for Spider-Man in Marvel Rivals.